Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to add location in TikTok. So first of all, let's make new TikTok by just clicking the plus button. What I'm going to do next, I'm going to just upload new TikTok. Let's for example, I'm going to upload any type of video. So you will hear a noise or audio of this video. So sorry for that, but I can't control it until I just reach to the publishing section. So I'm gonna just choose, let's say, random video, and I'm gonna move to the publish section. So I'm gonna just click this one.
دخلنا شهر اكتوبر يا جماعه انت عارف.
Alright, and after we click next on the video, you will see right here the tag people and location. So you will see location right here by just clicking that location, and you will see many parts on your location. So let's say, for example, I'm gonna just choose this one. Alright, and basically after we added our bio hashtag mention video to it, you gotta just accept the music usage or leave it like that. Doesn't matter. I'm gonna just hit post. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.